Welcome to my Aldi haul. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I feed a family of 3, 2 adults and a toddler, on a budget of $75 or less each week. And I'm going to show you my haul today that I got at Aldi. Eating healthy and naturally does not have to break your budget, and you don't have to go to whole paycheck foods either. Watch this video to get inspired to save money and eat healthy for you and your family. Welcome folks, I'm so excited to share with you my Aldi haul today. So I'm going to detail how I feed my family, a family of 2 adults and 1 toddler, on a budget of $75 or less each week, and how I do this without giving up and forfeiting organics, natural products. I do this sometimes without couponing. So today's haul, you see behind me, look at all that great stuff, and we're gonna dig right on into it. But I'm gonna tell you, I spent less than $170 on these items behind me. This will feed my family for 2.5 to 3 weeks and will give us freezable meals and smoothie packs for several weeks as well. So this will stretch for over a month. And I'm super excited to detail how I also score diapers for less than what you can get, double couponing and getting gift card back at Target and other stores. So let's dig right on into my Aldi haul today. So today's shopping adventure, I went to Aldi. This is what I picked up. Tons of produce. I've got labels. I'm gonna dig right on into the details of what I purchased. But all of these awesome, healthy products are gonna feed my family for weeks. Lots of fresh greens. So I like to have half of my purchase be fresh produce, freeze-dried or frozen fruit and vegetables. So, and I got some other goodies. All right, so let's dig right on in. You guys know I love my lemons, so I'm always looking for deals on lemons. I got 5 huge things of lemons for $2.99. That'll last me for a good amount of time. Today's produce pick of the week. This is really great. So their avocado, 49 cents each avocado. So love that. I got 5, and what I plan to do with these is I refrigerate them and then I take them out one by one, and what I do is I actually just place them on the banana, and that'll help ripen them up. So those guys are gonna last me for a little while. We eat about 1/2 to 1 every day, and I have some already on my counter and one's in my fridge, so I'm always stocking up on avocado. You guys know I'm from Florida, and I just can't help myself when I see red grapefruit. I grew up with grapefruit trees in my backyard. Same with lemons and oranges. While I can't stomach oranges, I can go nuts over grapefruit. So I love red grapefruit. I think there are, let's see, locally grown in Texas, $3.99 for a total of, let's see, 2, 4, 5 big grapefruit. I will juice these and I will eat these in halves. Super excited. My little man is a big consumer of yogurt. Now, when I say consumption, maybe once or twice a week, what I do is I get plain yogurt because the ingredients on this, let me show you the ingredients. Okay, so look at those ingredients. What is missing is stuff that's not healthy. What's missing is organic, natural vanilla flavor. What's missing is carrageenan, which is what you want. You don't want to be consuming that stuff. It's not great for your body, and it's not great for toddlers. So I always get plain whole milk yogurt, and we will mix up. I've purchased some ground flaxseed, golden flaxseed. I will grind this up, pair it up with this. I'll put in some other things on my haul in that, and that is super healthy for not only the toddler, but my partner Brian. And we always get the almond organic milk. What you want to look for at Aldi, Simply Nature. That's your good buy. A lot of times you'll see the green leaf and it'll tell you it's organic. Why I love their almond milk. One, it's vanilla flavor. We like that. It is sans carrageenan. So how awesome is that? A lot of the stuff that you're going to find on the market, it's hard to find. Also, they have great prices on the coconut water. I got a 1 liter of coconut water, and it's just literally coconut water and enhanced by a little bit of aloe vera juice. So gut friendly. Brian's on a gut healing plan. The coconut water was $2.99. All right, so I want to show you some awesome organics. I got the organic carrots and sweet peppers, $3.49. I chopped those up. I'll freeze some for stir fry. So I'll have some fresh and instantly some will go in the freezer. Same with my chopped kale. Sometimes I just put this whole bag in the freezer. It's awesome. Look, it's organic and it's been chopped up. So if you guys are consumers of greens, you know it's a lot of prep. This is so worth it. My little man loves the Simply Nature applesauce. So one of the things with applesauce that I find challenging, even organic applesauce has been proven to have arsenic in it because the orchards, even when they turn organic, they still have remnants and traces of arsenic in the soil. So sometimes I'm okay with this not being organic. The other option is we get organic applesauce at Trader Joe's, but this is the best price, $1.89 for these bad boys. It's great. All right, so the other thing I got that I just love. So I love these little potatoes. These babies were $3.79, and I will prep some of these and freeze them. I use these in soups, and sometimes we do really nice roasted potato medley with some of our veggies. I want to show you my favorite. So these kiwi kids, I think there's 6 kiwi in here. It's coming out of Italy, which I trust that whole process in Italy in terms of their growing. So these aren't organic. I got them for $1.79. Why it's okay for kiwi and not organic, or not purchasing them organic, is because the skin is so thick. Just like the bananas, these are not organic. Same with the lemon and the grapefruit. Doesn't necessarily mean they're not GMO, but in Italy, I know they're not. Also, this is a super fine. I want to talk to you about this. Okay, so Simply Nature organic, 100% grass-fed beef. It is 16 ounces. You have to watch your ounces because sometimes you're only going to find 8 ounces, and the price on the 16 is $5.29. Did you know, friends, sometimes that's cheaper than what you can get at Costco. So I usually get one of these and freeze these. We make a lot of tacos. I make and we'll freeze the ground beef, and I enhance it. I enhance it with that chopped kale. I enhance it with flaxseed. And those are recipes that I'm going to show and share with you in the future. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you will. All right, sockeye salmon. Okay, so I love sockeye salmon. Look at how beautiful pink that is. And this is not dyed, friends. Okay, so I got 4 fillets for $2.99 each. So you have a meal for your husband, spouse, partner, and it's basically $6 with some of the other things that I can have a really great meal. We usually will go through the sockeye salmon. This will take about 6 weeks for us to go through because usually I only eat about half of it, and then it'll be 2 meals for me. And then sometimes we'll take a third off of Brian's, and that's what Gabriel eats, but he's not big on salmon right now. All right, I always have to have my semi-sweet chocolate morsels. Those are for my cinnamon cookies, as Gabriel calls them, my super healthy mommy cookies that I add a little bit of that just for him to enjoy some chocolate because he's a huge fan of chocolate chips right now. Freeze-dried strawberries, these are awesome. These are $1.89, and Simply Nature's really good way of getting strawberries into your child's diet is freeze-dried. And these are cheaper than the ones at Trader Joe's. And did you know Aldi owns Trader Joe's? So a lot of the same good stuff you can get at Aldi for a fraction of the cost. All right, so I want to show you the other thing Gabriel loves. Gabriel loves these chocolate chip organic granola bars. So he got into granola bars when I started making them, and when I discovered Aldi, sometimes time and ingredient prep is cheaper when you purchase it, depending on what you can buy. So these packs, there are, I believe, 6 bars in them, $2.19 each. So I love those. And check this out. They're starting to bring in hydroponics. Butter lettuce for $1.89. And then I get fresh, because we use this, baby spinach, $2.49. Whatever I don't use, I'll freeze. Usually I get 2 packs, so I might freeze one and eat the other one. These are great for smoothies, they're great for salads, they're great for your salads in glass containers. And beans, legumes are a staple in our family. They're 89 cents each. Awesome. And we don't eat a whole lot of tomato in our family, tomato sauce, because Brian has digestive grief that we're really focusing on healing right now. But I do, and I love this brand of pesto sauce. So they have a Rosso, the red, and then they also have this bad boy. So I like to make my pesto sauce, but sometimes I don't have enough, and I usually try and use from my garden. So this is great. Check out those ingredients. So good. All right, and it's delicious, and I do a lot with that. Today I found their Simply Nature Organic Tomato Basil. It was $2.19. So I use that as a base. You see, one of the things that I love about Aldi, they have a lot of gluten-free, and they use brown rice and quinoa in a lot of their, the Live G-Free is the brand, and it's organic. I will pair this and this up, and that's for me. I might do some homemade meatballs with the grass-fed beef, and voila, I've got some options for meals that I can freeze and eat at the same time. Now, friends, I want to share with you something that it's a huge favorite with all 3 of us in our household. They're Simply Nature Kids Organic White Cheddar Puffs. These babies came out in 2017. They've actually been listed as the top best product of 2017 for all organics. They have baked rice and corn in them. And you know, I'm not a huge fan of corn, but it's a good mixture and it's really clean. So if your kid likes a lot of kind of crunchy things and might even like cheese, and you're trying to get them off of some of the kind of unhealthier options like Cheetos, these are really great. And they're $1.89. How awesome is that? Okay, so I got inspired. I got some tostadas for I think $1.49. Where I'm gonna do a kind of taco breakfast with these, and we get organic eggs and really kind of enhance our Mexican kind of breakfast. So that was kind of an impulse buy for me. I don't usually get those, but these guys. So I want to show you this label, Earth Grown Vegan. This is the vegan brand and label at Aldi. They are growing, and they are going to be carrying more and more vegan products. And this veggie burger, I think it was voted the best veggie burger of 2016, I want to say, but I love it. And the veggie burger is a little less than the quinoa crunch. I think this is $3.19 and this is $3.49, but you get 4 really awesome patties, and this is a great meat alternative that you can take with you to lunch. Super yummy. Similarly, I love the kids' spinach and kale bites. These are $3.49, and if Gabriel doesn't eat them, I will. So good. And it's a great way to get greens in their diet. This is for all the moms. Okay, let me move this out of the way. So, you know, we have a toddler, and I've gotten really conscious of our consumption of diapers and how much we're spending on them. Aldi, by far, has the best prices on diapers per diaper. So if you do it by unit, you can find really great deals at Aldi. So we're in size 5, we get 70 in this box. It's $10.89 for the box. Works out to be 15.5 cents for the diapers. If I do this, if I buy a pack of say Huggies or Loves or any of the other brands at Target that are on sale and add a coupon with maybe a cartwheel and there's a gift card back, I sometimes can't get it less than 16, 17, 18 cents a diaper. These are awesome and you don't have to coupon, which saves you a lot of time. And let's face it, moms, we need time. Okay, so similarly, their wipes, I always get their 3-pack of wipes. It's, I think, 216 wipes for $3.99, which is a really good deal. And then, okay, so I love shopping and I've really clamped down on our budget over the last really 3 years since we started to consider college savings funds and all these other things. But Aldi is great for gifts and for kids' toys. So what I'm always doing is I always look out for things that I think maybe Gabriel will like, and then I will buy them if my secondary budget, which is something that we'll talk about. Usually I have allocated $50 for secondary budgetary items, and it's things like toothpaste, shampoos, all that stuff. Toys are included. And this is awesome. This color fun fish bowl. This will help him learn his colors. $9.99. And I'm thinking this might be a Valentine's Day gift. $4.99, 1,000 stickers. This kid loves Paw Patrol, loves anything animal oriented. And Aldi has all sorts of great toys and they had tons of sales. So there's things that he doesn't need, but it's after Christmas and they've got a lot of their toys marked down. We got some really cool wooden toy sets for him at Aldi. Okay, and so Aldi allows me to save a trip to Target. And raise your hand if you go to Target and you end up spending, you're going in for one thing, you have a whole shopping cart by the time you're checking out, and it's like $125 for your visit. So I was out of detergent. Usually I get Tide at Costco. Tan Dill is their knockoff brand or the Aldi brand. $6.49. I do find that is just as effective as Tide. I like Tide a lot. And the other thing that I've run out of my supply, Aldi had a plot, or what do they call it? Aldi had a whole bunch of green, clean, super organic, clean, free, dye-free, fragrance-free detergents for washing your laundry. I stocked up. I think I bought like 10 of them and they were like, I think $5.99. So I've run out and I had to kind of get my $6.49. But this and my bleach buy, because we have dogs and we're cleaning off clay on their feet, so I'm bleaching a lot of the dog towels. This $6.49 and this I think was $1.89. That saves me from going to Target. And so I've just saved myself a ton of money there. And then this, I'll show you this. This is my impulse buy. Okay, so we moved and I realized this weekend we went out, I don't have jewelry organized properly and I could put this in my closet. This was the only sale item. I think it was regularly like $9.89. It was marked down to $4.89. So that was it. And I want to show you my receipt. So this is my Aldi receipt, $1.64. Went to Aldi and I totaled my non-grocery items, and this is just the toys, 2 toys, and the jewelry organizer was $19.87. So it puts my total for a minimum of 2 weeks under $150. So that's $75 a week. And this is all the great stuff I got that we will be using, chopping, freezing, and using for our little man. And we've got gift sets. So it is possible to be healthy on a budget. You just have to be outside the box thinking. It is possible to be healthy on a budget, getting organic foods for your family, feeding your toddler and your kids healthy food, grabbing diapers and even toys in budget. And I'm so excited to share with you my Aldi haul today. I would love to hear from you. How do you feed your family in a healthy way? Do you use a CSA? Do you use co-shopping? Do you do order boxes from your local produce grower? Shoot us a message and share with our community here. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you will. Stay tuned, friends, for our next video where I'm going to detail more great health and wellness information. I'm so grateful for your time. Thank you so much. And do know it is possible to live within your means, eating organic food and staying healthy. Have a great, wonderful, and healthy day.